रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
US President Donald Trump has sent a letter to the head of the World Health Organization threatening to pull US funding permanently over COVID-19. The letter outlines a 30-day deadline for the body to commit to substantive improvements or risk losing millions and US membership altogether. Addressed to WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, it criticizes stages of the body's response since December. Earlier on Monday, Mr. Trump called the UN's health body a puppet of China. The president, who faces re-election this year and has himself been criticized for his handling of the pandemic, has blamed China for trying to cover up the outbreak and has accused the WHO of failing to hold Beijing into account. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian said Mr. Trump was trying to mislead the public, smear China, and shift the blame for own incompetent response. The US has more than 1.5 million of the world's 4.8 million confirmed cases of coronavirus so far, with more than 90,000 deaths. Mr. Trump's ultimatum also comes at a time of pressure for the WHO. On Monday, Dr. Tedros backed a review of the agency's handling of the pandemic. He said an independent evaluation would take place at the earliest appropriate moment. Mr. Trump published the letter on Twitter on Monday night, following a day of heavy US criticism of the health agency. Health Secretary Alex Azar spoke at WHO's World Health Assembly and accused the organization of letting COVID-19 spin out of control at the cost of many lives. In his letter to Dr. Tedros, the US president accuses the WHO of having an alarming lack of independence from China. Among his assertions, Mr. Trump accuses the agency of having consistently ignored what he describes as credible reports of the virus. The president had repeatedly accused China of failing in its response to the coronavirus outbreak. Beijing denies the allegation. Earlier this month, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said the country had all along been in good communication and cooperation with the WHO and had never attempted to manipulate the organization. Mr. Trump, in his conclusion, alleges that repeated missteps by Dr. Tedros and the WHO had been extremely costly for the world. The only way forward for the World Health Organization is if it can actually demonstrate independence from China, his letter says. Mr. Trump then calls for the organization to commit to major substantive improvements within 30 days without clarifying what this means. Without these changes, the president says the US will make his temporary freeze of US funding permanent and reconsider our membership in the organization altogether. Mr. Trump announced the halting of US payments last month. The country is the largest single contributor to the WHO, accounting for just less than 15% of its funding in the past financial year. The World Health Assembly, the annual meeting of member states reviewing the WHO's work, is being held over 2 days, ending on Tuesday. So far, the virtual forum has been dominated by clashes over the organization's role as well as pushes for an inquiry into the handling of the pandemic. Also at issue is a resolution which would allow poorer countries access to any coronavirus vaccines or treatments that could be developed by private manufacturers. President Xi said on Monday that any vaccine developed in China would be made a global public good, ensuring vaccine accessibility and affordability in developing countries.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन